This one is a thatte idli, which comes with a gunpowder. So as I told you, this is the combo, and we had an option here, either dosa or uttappa, and shira or upma, and vada or idli. That's hot and made in ghee. Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. From the thumbnail you must have got to know where I have come today. So what you are seeing behind me is a Malgudi Tiffin, which is authentic South Indian restaurant. Their previous location was at Kothurud, but now it has been shifted to a DP Road, and here for the first time I have come. So here in this vlog I will review the location, the ambience and also the food. So ensure to watch this vlog till the end, and if new to the channel then remember to like, share and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. This one is the DP Road, and exactly on the DP Road you have this restaurant. Malgudi Tiffin, Pure Waste. Ambience is good, having a good sitting capacity, so you don't have to wait, and they also have a live counter here. Let me take you through their menu. This is mentioned here in the intro that they had a modern cafe, and which was founded in the year 1962, and Malgudi Tiffin is another cafe been run by Mr. Shetty's son. So what I'm going to review today is I have ordered for this combo, Malgudi special combo, which comes with masala dosa. Your option, either go for masala dosa and uttappam, or upma and shira, idli and vada. So I have opted for masala dosa, upma and vada, which will cost around 150 rupees, and they serve it from Monday to Friday. You can pause the video and check out the price. This one is a thatte idli, which comes with a gunpowder, and you have green chutney and sambar. And this one is a normal idli, 2 pieces in one plate, which also comes with the green chutney and the sambar. Okay, so what you are seeing here is a combo. This is one of the speciality of the restaurant, and here we had option, as I told you while explaining you the menu. So we had masala dosa or uttappa in option. We had upma and shira in option, so I opted for the upma, not shira. And we had vada and idli in the option, so I opted for the vada. So I'll show you how masala dosa has been made and the taste of it. As compared with the normal masala dosa, the size is smaller. It has an authentic South Indian taste, and it serves with the sambar and the green chutney as usual. Good in taste. So this is how the upma is looking. I'll test and tell you. That's hot and made in ghee. I'll tell you how this thatte idli, and served with the gunpowder on the top, and green chutney and sambar. Idli is soft, would have been better. By the way, let me tell you, it was not a sponsored video, so I had to pay for it. The first one what I ordered was the special combo, then thatte idli, idli chutney and the coffee. This is what I had ordered today, and let's talk about the review. So ambience, I will rate 8 on the scale of 10. Well, it is connected to the public transportation also, and it is on the one of those popular roads of Pune, so you can easily come to the hotel. Third one, talking about the cost, so I think it was a little bit of value for money. So coming back to the test, so the dishes which I had ordered so didn't meet to my expectations, specifically about this location. The taste would have been better. So on this note, I'm going to end this vlog here. I'll see you guys in another vlog. Until then, this is Sandeep signing off. Thank you so much for your time.